repair. Normally, it's auto repair near me or auto repair within your city and state. Um, but most people don't even really get auto repair. They don't understand. They know they got a problem with their car and they need to take it in to get it fixed. Um, which is totally true. Totally, totally true. However, um, I would definitely say that if you maintained your car properly, then you wouldn't have as much auto repair as you would think. Because auto maintenance is definitely different than auto repair. So if you protect your car with maintenance to begin with, shocks, struts, flushes, filters, belts, hoses, timing belt, spark plug, balance, align, battery service by time and mileage, you go in often enough, 2, 3, 4 times a year into your automotive repair shop so that they can do a digital vehicle inspection or an old-fashioned courtesy check. Preferably nowadays it's digital, and they're taking pictures of everything and documenting what everything looks like before and after they fix it. Most of the time, if we actually stay engaged with taking care of our car proactively, and it doesn't leave us stranded, it's about protecting our second biggest investment for most people, the biggest investment. It's about making the car last as long as it's supposed to last. Because, if you go to Edmunds.com, true cost to own, it shows you exactly how much a new car costs, how much a used car costs, the first 75,000 miles that you drive it. And it gets so expensive to keep replacing vehicles. It's not even funny. The new car average payment right now, when I make this video, is $750 a month. And that doesn't include depreciation. That doesn't include wear and tear, maintenance. That doesn't include taxes. That doesn't include registration fees. That doesn't include insurance. That doesn't include fuel. That's just the car. Think about that. And a used car is $550 a month. And yet, if we understand that to drive a normal car in the United States based on the average mileage of 15,000 miles, the average car is going to cost about $3,000 a year to drive it. And if we just budget for that, and we're not shocked when we walk into the automotive repair store and they actually say that our car needs something, I mean, Lord forbid, it's amazing the people that are in the automotive repair shops. The customers are actually shocked when they're giving an estimate, and they're looking at the shop like they're devil, that it's their fault that there's something wrong with their car. Well, the shop didn't buy it, they don't own it, they don't drive it, and they're not responsible for it. The shop is responsible for fixing your car properly the first time with good quality parts. And most people think that they, number one, want it done super fast, number two, super cheap, and with the best quality product on the market. And that if they can't get it done fast, cheap, and with the best quality product on the market, then something's wrong. Well, think about that as a business model for an automotive repair shop. Fast, cheap, and the best quality. What's in it for the automotive repair shop to be in business? I don't know what you do for a living, but think about it. What's in it for you to be in your business? I mean, profit is not a four-letter word. So there's nothing wrong with an automotive repair shop actually making money. Nothing at all wrong with it. Nothing wrong with an automotive repair shop building a fantastic relationship with you, educating you about your car, you accepting that education and moving on. I mean, at this point, what you're basically looking at is the number one hope that somebody has when they walk through into a shop is that their car doesn't need anything, and that their second biggest hope is that if it does need something, it won't cost very much. But I'm here to tell you that just like your house, you're ultimately going to need a faucet's going to leak, the air conditioner is going to break, the heater is going to break, the dishwasher is going to break, your refrigerator is going to go bang, bang, bang in the middle of the night. Something's going to be happening to your house every now and again. Your house doesn't move. It just sits there. Your car moves. And it's bouncing, moving. It's not just smooth glass ride. Look at the how bad the roads are around you. I mean, if you closed your eyes right now and you imagine the roads around you, there are some roads around me. I'm glad I drive a 4x4. I mean, and it's just a regular road. Other ones, fantastic, fantastic roads. I mean, smooth. I mean, they're smooth to me sitting in the seat. It doesn't mean they're smooth to the tires and to the suspension that's protecting me. But I mean, if your roads are anything like mine around, I mean, some of them, I'm telling you, it's like, if you go slow, you're trying to protect your vehicle, but if you're going fast, it feels easier and better. I mean, the auto repair, it's so much more than just fixing your car. It's, you know, there's so much goes into it. There's the diagnostics, the accuracy of diagnostics, high quality parts, experienced technicians, transparent communication, long-term mindset, focusing on prevention and not profit. You can't ignore car problems because they end up costing more. Um, you know, you your car's overheating. Now something that would your thermostat because your thermostat went bad. Now you have to replace the motor because you didn't replace the thermostat in time. You know, you don't replace the oil and the old oil filter, the sludge builds up and you get engine failure. There's so many things that can cause engine or transmission or problems. It's not even funny. Um, you have to maintain the car beyond a shadow of a doubt, or you're going to be buying a newer used one prematurely. And I keep saying it, but the number one reason in the United States of America that people don't have a good retirement is because of cars. It's really that simple. Um, wouldn't it be great if we could, if, there was definitely like in New York where you can live within a 3 block, you can live and work and everything within 3 blocks. Well, that's actually not true for most New Yorkers because look at the subways and look at how much traffic they have. Um, you have to take care of the car so the car takes care of you. You have to be prepared, ready, willing, and able to build a good relationship with the automotive repair shop, to do what's right for your car, to stay proactive, to understand it's going to cost money on a regular basis to keep it going down the road. And there's really nothing wrong with that. Stay safe, stay strong.